Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best smartwatch is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable gadgets in today's fast-paced world, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with everyday practicality to keep you connected, informed, and motivated without constantly reaching for your phone. Number 5. Anbull Portable Band Saw. Experience industry-leading power with our 10-amp motor, designed to handle any job site application with controlled performance. It delivers clean, precise cuts without sparks or burrs on materials like steel, aluminum, and PVC pipe. Our new upgraded base, weighing 14.6 pounds, provides stability for precise cutting. It's also swiveling up to 45 degrees and easily removable, making your work safer and more convenient. Achieve deep cuts with a capacity of up to 5 inches for rectangular stock and 4 inches for round stock without the base. Even with the base, it offers substantial cutting capabilities for various materials. Tailor your cutting experience with a variable speed dial offering 6 distinct speed settings, ranging from 100 to 350 feet per minute. This allows for optimal performance on different materials and applications. Enjoy comfortable operation with its superior balance and ergonomic soft grip handle. Built with a serviceable steel shroud and rubber bumpers, it's designed to withstand tough job site conditions. Equipped with a durable .020 by 44-78-inch 14 TPI blade, it offers a long service life, equivalent to 5 grinding wheels. You can also choose from various TPI blades for different material needs in the future. What we like. This portable band saw boasts a powerful 1100W motor for efficient cutting of various materials. Its upgraded removable alloy steel base provides stability and allows for angled cuts, making it ideal for precision work. If you need a versatile tool for metal, pipe, and composite cutting with a focus on stability and accuracy, this is your choice. What people say. The product is very durable and has a great design. The functionality of this product is excellent, it performs as advertised. I was impressed with the build quality and the materials used. Number 4. Replacement rubber belt for Milwaukee band saw. This replacement belt is designed to fit a wide range of Milwaukee band saws, as well as compatible models from DeWalt and Porter Cable. Please check the detailed compatibility list to ensure a perfect fit for your tool. Crafted from high-quality, wear-resistant rubber with an anti-slip texture, this belt ensures smooth power transmission. It's built to last, reducing vibration and noise for a longer service life. Replacing your old belt is a breeze. No special tools or professional skills are needed, you can easily swap it out in minutes to get back to your work. This kit includes 2 replacement belts, offering a cost-effective solution for routine maintenance or unexpected repairs. Keep your band saw running reliably without breaking the bank. You'll receive 2 high-quality band saw rubber belts, each measuring 6 inches in outside diameter and 1 2-inch wide. They are perfect for your Portabands saw's pulley system. What we like. This is a cost-effective maintenance kit for your band saw. Made from heavy-duty, wear-resistant rubber with an anti-slip texture, it ensures stable power transmission and reduces vibration. If you're looking to maintain your existing band saw's performance without breaking the bank, and need a reliable replacement part, this 2-pack is an excellent option. What people say. The product is well-made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any setting. The functionality is excellent, with easy-to-use controls and a variety of settings to choose from. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Cordless Deep Cut Band Saw. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut Band Saw. This powerful tool is designed for efficient cutting in various applications. Powered by an 18-volt system, it offers cordless freedom without compromising on performance. Get the job done anywhere, anytime. Its deep-cut design allows for handling larger materials with ease. Experience precise and clean cuts every time. This is the tool-only version, perfect for those who already own M18 batteries and chargers. Expand your Milwaukee tool collection. Built with Milwaukee's renowned durability, this band saw is engineered to withstand tough job site conditions. Rely on it for consistent results. It's the ultimate solution for professionals seeking a high-performance, cordless band saw. Upgrade your cutting capabilities today. What we like. Experience ultimate freedom with this cordless M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw. It offers powerful performance and deep cutting capabilities without the hassle of cords. If you prioritize portability, power, and the ability to work in any location without being tethered, this tool-only option is perfect for professional job sites or DIYers on the go. What people say. The product is well made and durable. The design is sleek and modern. It functions perfectly and has many useful features. Number 2. Replacement Portabands Blade Pulley Wheel Tire, 2-pack. This is a direct replacement pulley wheel tire designed to fit part number 45-69-0010. It's compatible with specific models that use 44 to 7/8-inch blades. These tires are engineered for a perfect fit on corded Milwaukee Portabands. Ensure your saw uses a 44 to 7/8-inch blade for optimal performance. Crafted from durable rubber, these replacement tires offer excellent grip and longevity. They are designed to withstand regular use on your bandsaw. It fits a wide range of Milwaukee bandsaw models, including those with part numbers like 6230N, 6225, and 6238N. Please check the compatibility list for your specific model. Please note that these replacement tires are intended for corded bandsaws only. They are not compatible with battery-powered or cordless models. Upgrade your bandsaw with these essential replacement parts. They help ensure smooth operation and accurate cuts for all your projects. What we like. These replacement rubber tires are designed for a precise fit on specific corded bandsaw models, including popular Milwaukee and DeWalt versions. They are crucial for maintaining the proper function of your bandsaw's blade pulley. If you have a compatible corded bandsaw and need to replace worn-out pulley tires for optimal cutting performance, this 2-pack is the solution. What people say. This is a great tool for cutting drywall. It is very accurate and easy to use. The battery life on this tool is amazing. I was able to use it for hours on a single charge. The design of this tool is very ergonomic. It fits comfortably in my hand and is not too heavy. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw Kit. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw. It's designed for effortless operation and handling, making your toughest jobs easier. This tool is engineered for exceptional durability. You can rely on it to withstand demanding work environments, project after project. It effortlessly cuts through both plastic and metal materials. Experience the power and precision you need for any task. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, it's simple to operate. Spend less time figuring it out and more time getting the job done. Count on its robust construction for long-lasting performance. This bandsaw is a dependable addition to your toolkit. This kit includes everything you need to get started. It's the perfect solution for professionals and DIYers alike. What we like. This M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw comes as a complete kit with a battery, offering convenience and power. It's designed for durability and ease of use, making it a reliable tool for demanding cutting tasks. If you're looking for a ready-to-go cordless deep cut bandsaw solution with the power of M18 fuel technology and don't want to source parts separately, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is very durable and has a great design. The functionality of this product is excellent, it performs as advertised. I was impressed with the build quality and the materials used. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.